What up, YouTube? BrokeFarmer back for another video on this beautiful day, y'all. And it is the 1st of August. So you know what that means? A super spectacular garden tour. You won't believe it. You have to watch. All right, y'all. I like to start with an overview. It's a little overgrown. It's been raining for 40 days and 40 nights, y'all. So bear with me. Don't judge me. This is a judge-free zone. A lemon blush tomatoes. With all this rain, y'all know what these tomatoes looking like. Now, I don't like to waste food. Yeah, I'm gonna eat this. I'm gonna eat that. Don't worry about that. And the kohlrabi is kohlrabian. Do you hear me? The kohlrabi is definitely kohlrabian. And I don't know what pepper this is. I don't know if it's the mini snacking pepper, but everything else snacking on it. You know what I mean? So, yeah. I got some that's getting bigger, so maybe it's not a snacking pepper. I got a tag, but it washed out because I didn't. Yeah, I don't know what that is. But that's snacking pepper. And that's a Cali Wonder bell pepper. My bell pepper just taking off, y'all. Another kohlrabi. Ooh, she look nice. Oh, she finna go in the house. More kohlrabi, because I like kohlrabi. You know what I'm saying? And some puny looking tomato plants. Oh my God. Yeah, we're gonna get together. Don't dry it. It ain't gonna rain forever, y'all. And lemon tree I had to put out here. She needs some good sun. But this bed, and these are just some tomato plants I pruned off and put them in the soil. They're working out. But this is my baby right here. This is moringa. Moringa. This is the best. I don't have a moringa plant looking. I don't have something that got big, but she's spectacular. Look at the little sister down there. Oh yeah. And I replanted cucumbers for a fall cucumber harvest. You know what I'm saying? Those are Richmond apple cucumbers. Also over there, I overseed a little bit. Don't judge me. Some weak looking tomatoes. But I got tomatoes, y'all. I ain't complaining. I got tomatoes. Another eggplant. I think this is also the Oswald eggplant. It's supposed to be huge. Huge. And if you look right there, I planted something. I think it's squash, y'all. This late in the season, I ain't putting no labels on it. I just see what happened, if it happened. And this tomato plant is still looking beautiful. She got some old flowers on her now. So she ready to do her goddamn thing. This is a Brandywine tomato. Coming back a bunch of rain. It wasn't so hot. And this is also a Oswald eggplant. It's shaped a little bit different than the Black Beauty. It's more oblong. So yeah, I can't wait to taste that one. It's gonna be delicious, I think. Some basil. I didn't even plant you. But she smells good. Well, don't worry about it. You don't want to smell it. That's cool. And this is my kombucha squash plant. It's turned into a monster, y'all. It's a monster. It's a monster. But I'm gonna let her grow. Guess why? Because she providing food. Do I got kombucha squash just randomly in the grass? Yeah, I do. Don't judge me, judge your garden. And a bunch of more kohlrabi. Because guess what? I like kohlrabi. And I think seeds got mixed up because that's a purple kohlrabi and I don't like purple kohlrabi. But we're going to taste because we don't waste food. And I don't know what this is. I think it's a collard green plant. That might be kohlrabi. I'm tripping. That might be kohlrabi. And a little squash plant I thought was dead, but it want to live too. Ain't nothing wrong with it. And the theme of my garden this year is grow winter squash. half squash the whole winter long. That's the goal. You got any more fruit on you? You getting long and luxurious. Yeah, I do. Right there, Dad. Yeah, I do. All right, my 2 newer beds is mostly compost. Guess what I got? More squash. These are honey nut squash. They ain't squashing yet. Uh-oh. I lied. She's squashing right there. She squashed. She squashed. Yeah. And I think this is the cinnamon Thai basil or something. I mean, it's got a unique smell to it. It's kind of like cinnamon and basil mixed together. Spectacular. And the bees love these flowers, y'all. Simply love them. And then I got some tomatoes. I think it's called cat facing or whatever. Oh, and I just RIP the hornworm. Yeah. Y'all hear the bee? Y'all be quiet. Be quiet. Some more, guess what? You guessed it. Some more squash. Yeah. And these are my wildflowers. I need somebody to come in and let me know. Are these Mexican sunflowers? Bro, use your picture ID. Use your picture ID, bro. Well, I'm a picture ID and I got y'all the ID. The picture for me. You get me? But I can't wait to see what these flowers look like. It was just in a wildflower mix. And my shishito pepper's been showing out the whole year, y'all. I got 2 shishito plants. And I'm finna pull these while they green. That guard water do something different to the garden. You know what I mean? I'm gonna go and throw my lemon balm in there. She looking spectacular. Smelling like cinnamon soap water, dish soap water. And this is my baby, that chocolate mint. Ooh, chocolate mint. And some spearmint. But guess what, y'all? The key to these watermelons is let them live their best life, y'all. Don't try to hold them back. I gotta put these in some put a little watermelon trays down. Don't worry about it. I got that though. Don't worry about that. Look at it. Look at all these flowers. Oh yeah. We're gonna talk about these watermelon plants. Hashtag watermelon wars. Hashtag watermelon wars. You hear me? Watermelon wars. And y'all see all this mass of grass and watermelon vines? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, cause this watermelon's hiding in there. Uh-oh, that one right there. Y'all count for me. I can't count all these watermelons. Y'all can just keep counting for me. Look at all these watermelon plants with flowers on them. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have a bunch of watermelons, y'all. Right there. See another one. Oh, she's another one. Let's play a game called Find the Watermelons. Do 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 do. Uh-oh. Y'all in trouble. Oh, y'all thought that was all the watermelon? Nah. And I got a secret watermelon plant I'm not even gonna put on camera, y'all. Just to keep it a buck. And I was talking to somebody in my live about once your watermelon get blossom in right, if it keep growing, yeah, it's still growing. And guess what? If it's edible, I'm gonna eat it. And I'm gonna eat that one. And I'm gonna eat that one. These watermelons just don't stop. Hashtag watermelon wars. Because if you thought looking at my community post that's all I had, my friend, you are so mistaken. I will be the champion of Watermelon Wars 2024. Yep. And something else I keep forgetting to talk about. These goddamn sweet potatoes. They are sweet potato when they butt out. You hear me? Oh yeah. Might be the biggest sweet potato harvest I ever had, y'all. Yeah. Definitely. Now let's travel over to the in-ground beds. And this monstrosity here is kush, y'all. Oh, that's kush, y'all. Yeah. And I got 4 or 5 off. I'm good. Then I got my backup sweet potato bed. And I love growing sweet potato in grow bags. I don't like grow bags, but I think sweet potatoes and root vegetables in general do very well in grow bags. I'm just saying. That's my backup little sweet potato bed. Don't be spectacular, y'all. Yeah, what this is, y'all. More squash. More honey nut squash, y'all. I'm not playing. All winter long, I'm gonna be eating out my summer garden. I mulched up in bed a little bit. It looking pretty. Then I replanted, guess what? You guessed it. Winter squash. Winter squash. Ooh, and this is my shishito. 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 Callie won the bell pepper. My bell pepper finally took off, y'all. It was a struggle. Got a couple tomato plants left. Actually got a bunch of them left. I ripped out some of them. Yeah. Most squash, they've been struggling the whole year, but the 40 days and 40 nights of rain, that good God water, they starting to wake up. Cucumbers. Yeah. Cucumbers ain't died out. Cucumber looking spectacular. Ooh, spectacular. I done got out of cucumbers off of them. I got one right here, but she ain't ready yet. This is a bait alpha. She ain't ready yet, y'all. Greasy leaf collard greens, y'all. Look at this bug. Look at him. Please tell me y'all can see him right there. Look at him. Don't try to hide under my goddamn leaf. Get out. Zinnias, volunteer zinnias. I got 3 okra plants this year. That's been enough, really. I got my corn in over there. Guess what I got? More watermelon plants. Watermelon wars. Watermelon wars. Got my corn. I pulled one ear a day ago. And guess what, y'all? It sucked too. I suck at growing corn, dude. I really suck at it. All right. This corn looks really weird. We've been getting rain for, I know, 40 days and 40 nights. So let's do a corn check. Is it ready? It looks ready. All right, I got one hand, y'all. So we're gonna see the pollination rate on this corn and see that we do better this year. No, we did not. Corn looks horrible. Back to the drawing board, y'all. I got my spectacular eggplant Black Beauty. She been putting out the whole year. I'm so proud of you. More squash, more squash. These are carrots. See if some ready yet. I don't see nothing poking out. I see some aphids or something down there. I ain't finna worry about them. A spectacular brandywine tomato. You're so pretty, pretty green. Albino bell pepper. Yeah, she's small, but she got a big old pepper on her. And this is the Insoro eggplant. These eggplants supposed to be red. Look at these bugs. Man, after a couple of days of rain, these bugs lose their mind. You guessed it. Big Daddy Greasy Leaf Collard Green. In the flesh. In the flesh. Jamaican sorrel. Jamaican sorrel. Jamaican sorrel. Life is good, y'all. My premier kale is showing out right now. You're a different animal. You're a different animal. You are not like the other kale. Yeah, the bugs don't even want to mess with you because you tough. You tough. And y'all saw me mulching my asparagus with the ferns. Well, the ferns are back. Can't pull them yet because those are 2 years over there. So we're gonna let those ferns back up. But guess what? I put some gently used soil back on it. And bro ham, look at them asparagus. For everybody who ain't getting asparagus right now, try it. Go ahead and cut your ferns. If your plant die, I'm not responsible for it, but I'm just gonna pick a couple of them. I'm just gonna. And look at that big boy coming out of there. You are biggin'. You're biggin'. We're gonna have these out in the garden, y'all. All right, I'm gonna put the camera on what I'm most excited about growing this year. This is my passion fruit. Yeah, I got it rigged up. She is looking good, y'all. I can't wait to taste passion fruit for the first time. And if I see a bird over here, I'm shooting him. Speaking of passion fruit, this is a different variety. I think this is purple possum passion fruit, maypop. I don't know, one of them. I got 2 different varieties. And I'm experimenting with growing them up my peach tree since I got all the peaches off it. See how that work out. But I doubled down. I didn't just try it on 1 peach tree. I tried it on 2. And it's going up the peach tree. Going up the peach tree, and we're gonna give fruit. Going to the fruit of my heart. All right, if you made it this far in the video, make sure you hit the like button, because look, YouTube pushes people farther in the algorithm based off likes and watch time. If you don't mind, can you hit the like button? For your old cousin BrokeFarmer. Enjoy your day.